Hey guys, today is June the 12th of 2013, and I want to go over the euro and let you know my thoughts. I want to let you also know that this is an educational video only, and please consult a professional financial advisor because trading currencies are very risky. Please excuse me, I haven't done a video in a while. I've been traveling, and it's kind of hard to do a video on a laptop. But I've been trading, scalping here and there, and as of today, I've covered all my long positions on the euro, and I believe that this is going to be a pivot high, and it's going to trend lower. So I covered all, and now I am short. So I want to let you know my thoughts. Okay, so this is price and time, and you can see that it's broken through all these resistance, and now there's no resistance here. It's just pretty much open air right here, and this is the pivot high of 612. I think that's the high. It could probably pierce it a little higher, but it's probably gonna snap right back down if my calculations are correct. This is pretty much nothing to do with angles and geometry. Well, it could be. I'll show you something in another chart. But this is pretty much more calculations with price and time and WD Gann stuff. And I kind of think that, it's going to pull back here. It's one of those things that when you decide you're going to do it, it's kind of risky and it looks like it's all going against you because the euros is trending higher. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I just get stopped out and then join right back on, and I'll probably go all the way as high as 34.45, but we'll see. But anyway, so this is where we at right now. I wanted to show you that. I'm going to also show you my monthly spiral levels on the euro. And have you noticed this pink? This is kind of like the WD Gann tunnels in the air. This pink spiral level has been a strong base. So it looks to me like this pink spiral indicator level is the one that's going to be the important one. As you can see that it chopped around here, and now it's made it up all the way over here. And I could be wrong. There's another one up here too, but I'm thinking because of price and time and because of the calculations I've made that this one is going to get respected and it's going to trend lower. I'm not going to say it's going to tank, but it could be, could happen. But I just know prices are going to reject the 612 high and it's going to trend lower. But we'll see. But I wanted to show you that. I want to also show you my price and time from the pivot low of 724. As you can see, it's resting on the 1000% move, which is at 33.26. If it cracks that, it's gonna go lower. But that's holding it right now. Let's go to my price and time of the 8.6 high, and you can see that it's by let's see, the 3x1 right now. It's pierced it, and you can see sometimes it pierces it and then it goes right back down. So it depends how much risk you want to have, but sometimes it just pierces it, it comes down, pierces it, it comes down, pierces it, it comes down, and now we're at that place again, and we just pierced it, and will it break it and come down? We will see. My thoughts are that it could probably trend a little higher. On the euro session, maybe flush out some early shorts. I have my stop pretty high, and then maybe kind of bounce off here, and then maybe just trend lower. So those are my thoughts. That's what I'm seeing. Is it gonna happen? It may not, but that's part of trading. You do some calculations, some risk rewards, and I think that the risk for me. Is better going down than going higher, and that's just because of the calculations I have, and I could be wrong with that too. So let's glance this. Well, maybe there's another one I want to show you. Um, my 914 high, same thing right here. You're at the 2x1 right now, hovering around there. You kind of pierced it today, and this is already tomorrow, the 13th. And it's kind of just hovering right there. I'm short around 33.13, and I think I caught it another one at 30.40, something around there. I can't remember, but I'm definitely short up on the highs, and I'm long the dollar. So we'll see. Um, Maybe I should show you something on the dollar that I see. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe that's not the one. This is one that I have on the dollar that was showing me that could definitely be some support. And I can't remember which one I have because I have like so many on the dollar. Maybe it's a 4. Nope. 3. Nope. 2. Here it is. The 50% is that 8088. 8088. 50% Fibonacci level. And it's almost caught it there. And it just found support. I don't know what number 1 is. Nothing there. Andrews and trend. And you can see that it found support right here in this long trend line that I had from like a couple of way back. And it's found support there. Will it hold? I don't know. It was just things that I kind of see. What else I have here? Weekly. I think that's it. But I feel like, I feel that the euro, the dollar, got some good support now. And I think the euro is going to find some resistance up there. But let's glance this chart and let's see what we got here. It's you see that it's still pushing higher. You just hit resistance on the Woody's weekly S1 right here. It's at 33.65, so it could push higher. I think if it's going to push any higher, it probably would push, it could probably go all the way to this linear regression line up here, and that's when you're really going to be pushing it right there. But it's strong. I'm not saying that it's it's strong, it's bullish. It's one of those things that you got to have a good reason if you're going to step in front of the train. And I think I got a good solid reason, and it's not being shown on the charts. So it's one of those things that if it's correct and it's right and you jump in at the right time, then you're going to make some good money. The weekly, I'm sure that it's looking strong and good. It's maybe I probably jumped in too early, but you have resistance up here, but everything is looking good. You pushed out of this this consolidation, and it looks like it wants to push higher. Let's look at the big picture. And when I say calculations, it's pretty much price and time using some of the techniques that WD Gann has in his teachings and stuff like that. So it's one of those, it's one of those things that you're either right or you're right out. And I already covered everything, so I'm waiting for this to like start turning. And as you can see, you just broke out of here. You got resistance going to be that 50% Fibonacci level, that 3401. That could be resistance, but everything is looking positive. Team is positive. That's looking positive. You just got a yellow arrow positive, and this is the monthly. That's just gone over the 50, so it's looking good, strong. You're trending higher, and you just had a squeeze play right here setting up. It looks like it wants to go, higher. I'm not saying that it's going to start tanking, but I'm saying it's going to have a nice little pullback, and then it's probably going to continue higher. Right here, you just broke through the 500 simple moving average. Team is positive. The MACD and mobile is pushing positive. You're in zoom mode on CCI. You're positive on Fisher. Everything is just pointing up, and you're strong trending on the oversold on MMG, but it's pretty much telling you that it's pretty strong. TTM is positive. TTM shortwave is positive above the 0, and these are all Heikin-Ashi candles. So this is all these two greens are monthly, and these are all green right here. So it's just telling you that the trend is higher. Team is positive. MACD is positive. Kind of losing Momo there, but other than that, CCM is positive, embedded, so it's trending. Fisher's positive. MMG is positive, kind of telling you overbought, but still trending. That's not looking good. Short term, you have a brown bar. That's looking positive. On the 12-hour, you're looking positive. Team is positive as of now. MACD is positive, MOBO, but the MACD looks like it's trending low on the 12-hour. You're on the CCI, you're positive. Fisher's positive. MMG is positive. You're kind of pushing lower on the TTM wave, and you're positive over here. So that's looking good. And if we go to the big picture part 2 where my thermal is, um, if it comes up, same thing, 12-hour daily, and I have it on these two charts. You know, it's all positive. You know, so you must be saying I'm nuts shorting the euro right now, but we'll see. I've been successful in the past, and I've failed in the past. So it's one of those things you just learn, and that's part of trading. You know, so everything is looking good, and I'm being a contrarian, going against the trend. So let's see what happens tonight, tomorrow, and if I'm wrong, then I just get stopped out and jump on the northbound train with you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just let you know that this is just my thoughts, and hope you enjoyed. And I'll talk to you and see you again later. Peace.